So here we are inside the cave, and this one has a steep rock with waterfalls going down the back of it, so you can sit down and cool off. And then there's a fire pit with seating around it in the back. Throughout the roof there are fiber optics and crystals with fiber optics drilled into them. Then you come out here, and that's a jumping rock and a Sleepy Hollow inspired tree. And this is the face of the mountain. And then you go up here. And there's a slide with fiber optics all through the ceiling. And you can also walk out onto the waterfall and jump off, which is really fun.